Brain Health Guide. The hidden habits weakening your IQ. Every single day, your brain is either getting stronger or getting weaker. The scariest part is that most people don't even notice it happening. This decline doesn't happen because people are born unintelligent. It happens because of small, negative daily habits repeated over and over again. Before these habits take complete control of your brain, your focus gets weaker, your memory slows down, and your mind becomes deeply addicted to distractions. The 3 biggest reasons your IQ feels low. Here are the primary daily triggers that destroy your concentration, memory, and cognitive power. 1. Endless social media scrolling. Every time you endlessly scroll through short-form videos, your brain gets conditioned to receive instant entertainment and cheap dopamine rewards. The consequence: over time, your attention span becomes incredibly short. Focusing on books, studying, or engaging in deep thinking starts to feel boring. The reality: your brain begins craving constant stimulation, making it harder to concentrate on anything important. Without deep focus, your intelligence naturally becomes weaker. 2. Chronic lack of sleep. A lot of people brag about sleeping only 4 or 5 hours a night, viewing it as a badge of honor. However, chronic sleep deprivation seriously damages your brain cells. Why sleep matters. Sleep is the essential window when your brain repairs itself, clears out metabolic waste, consolidates memories, and completely resets your mental energy. The consequence: without enough rest, your reaction time slows down, your short-term memory gets worse, and even simple tasks become frustratingly hard. A tired brain simply cannot think clearly or make smart decisions. That is exactly why highly successful people take their sleep schedule seriously. 3. The trap of multitasking. Most people genuinely believe that multitasking makes them more productive. In reality, multitasking is a myth that destroys your power of concentration. Your focus. Switching apps, checking messages, watching videos. Brain forces a constant reset. The consequence: constantly switching between tasks forces your brain to continually reset its attention. This cognitive friction destroys your ability to focus deeply on one single thing for an extended period. The reality: deep, uninterrupted focus is one of the most critical skills required for learning and becoming smarter. The more fractured your brain's attention is, the harder learning new skills becomes. Summary of the brain impact: destructive habit, what it ruins, the long-term result: short video scrolling, attention span, constant craving for stimulation, deep reading feels boring. 4-5 hours of sleep, brain repair and memory, slower reaction times, inability to make smart choices, constant multitasking, deep concentration, fractured focus, heavily reduces your ability to learn. The path forward: to protect and strengthen your brain starting today. Try replacing these habits with their positives. Protect your focus. Set a specific limited time for social media instead of scrolling aimlessly throughout the day. Prioritize rest. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep to let your brain reset and recover. Practice monotasking. Pick one single task, turn off all notifications, and give it your full attention for at least 25 minutes straight.